In today's video, you'll learn how to update Google Chrome so you stay secure, get better performance, and access the newest features. Updating Chrome is simple because everything happens inside the browser without needing to download anything manually. Start by opening Chrome and confirming you're actually using a Chrome window. Then look to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots, which open the main menu. From that menu, hover over Help and select About Google Chrome. This takes you to Chrome's built-in update page. As soon as you arrive on the About page, Chrome automatically checks for updates. You may see messages like checking for updates, downloading, or up to date. If an update is available, Chrome will download it and prepare it for installation. Once it's ready, you might see a button saying Relaunch. Clicking it restarts Chrome to finish applying the update. Your tabs usually reopen where you left off, so you don't lose your work. If Chrome says it's already up to date, no action is needed. If you see an error, it could be due to internet issues or restrictions on your computer. On school or workplace devices, updates may be controlled by an administrator, and you may see a notice indicating that updates are managed. To make the process smoother, keep your internet connection stable while Chrome checks for updates, and allow a moment for the status to complete. If you're in the middle of something important, you may want to finish first since applying updates may require a brief restart. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, use the 3-dot menu, go to Help, click About Google Chrome, and let the browser update itself. This quick routine keeps Chrome secure, fast, and ready with the latest improvements.